Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 8 English grammar, and that is your new topic. Topic is essay. Okay? So we should learn cleanliness begins at home. Suppose this is your title or heading. Cleanliness begins at home. Means you can say that such adat okay. So as the saying goes, charity begins at home. Means you can say that this is a saying, this is a proverb, or this is a statement that charity begins at home, which means we should help and care for our own family first. It means charity begins at home means everybody should help and care for our own family first before we start helping other people. Means before we are going to help other people, before doing the help of other people, we should help our family first. Similarly, cleanliness must begin at everyone's own home. Means this topic, cleanliness begins at home, this topic can be proved by a proverb which charity begins at home. Okay, so let's. Entire nation is abuzz with the cleanliness drives and campaigns under the impetus of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. We must ensure we become the real participant in the crusade against the dirt and squalor in the true spirit. Means here, in true spirit, we can say that this crusade against the dirt and squalor in true spirit, we must start the cleanliness drive from our own home and surroundings. Our zeal and enthusiasm for the cleanliness drive is useless if our own home and surroundings are unclean. We are spending hours cleaning the street in other areas. Not the proverbs, charity begins at homes. Okay, so in short we can say that cleanliness begins from our home. The best way to begin this cleanliness drive is our own room, your own cupboard, your own toilet. Means here cleanliness begins at home means everybody should clean drive of their own room, own cupboard, own toilet. Your own kitchen means everybody should clean their own kitchen, your own garbage. Do you keep your own room and surroundings clean? Means here in this way we can say that your own room and surroundings. Are you able to maintain the cleanliness around you? Means here these two types of questions comes in the mind of the reader. If you really do, you feel the satisfaction. If a person firstly cleans the surroundings where he or she lives, then he or she will satisfy. If you really do, you feel the satisfaction and contentment of being clean. Now you can lend a helping hand and your expertise in keeping the neighborhood clean. This is how we must go about this cleanliness drive. Remember, only a lit candle can light other unlit candles. Similarly, people who keep themselves clean and their surroundings clean can help other people to achieve cleanliness objectives. Okay. So next thing is that beside a man or woman who keeps himself or herself clean is an inspiration for many. By being perfect role models, we can do much more than by volunteering for cleanliness rallies, which are usually organized for hype in media. So let the cleanliness begin at your own home. If each one start maintaining cleanliness at his or her home, then the entire nation will automatically become clean. So the topic cleanliness begins at home is a saying. Good charity begins at home, which means we should help and care for our own family first before we start helping other people. Similarly, cleanliness must begin at everyone's own home. In this way, we can say that this was the essay of class 8, and the title of the essay is Cleanliness begins at home. This is a title of class 8 essay. Okay, and this is completed. From here to here, we are spending hours cleaning the street in other areas. The best way to begin this cleanliness drive is your own room, your own cupboard, your own toilet, your own kitchen, your own garbage. Do you keep your own room and surrounding clean? Are you able to maintain the cleanliness around you? If you really do, you feel the satisfaction and contentment of being clean. Okay. So this was the essay of class 8. Okay.